In previous class, we discussed about similar triangles. When do you say two triangles are similar? What are the conditions for similar triangles? The corresponding angles are equal. And corresponding sides are the same ratio. Today we are going to discuss a basic proportional theorem. This basic proportional theorem is also called as Thales theorem because it is introduced by mathematician Thales. BPT theorem or Thales theorem. BPT, basic proportionality theorem. In short form used to write BPT. What is the BPT? Basic proportionality theorem. Before starting our basic proportionality theorem, we'll recall the concepts we discussed in the 9th class. We have studied in the 9th class. So what is the area of triangle? Area of triangle is equal to half into base into height. Now, if you consider a triangle ABC, draw AD perpendicular to BC. Now, what is the area of this triangle? Area of triangle ABC is equal to half into base is BC, height is AD. If you consider a right triangle, the triangle ABC. Now, if you take the AB as the base, BC as the base, AB is the altitude. If you take AB as the base, BC is the altitude. Both are perpendicular to each other. AB and BC are perpendicular to each other. AB perpendicular to BC. So, area of triangle ABC is equal to half into product of perpendicular sides. So that is half into BC into AB. Now we are taking here half into base into height. So then what do you call this AD? AD is the altitude. Altitude, the length of the altitude is called height. Then how to define the altitude? How to define the altitude? Altitude, a perpendicular drawn from vertex to opposite side. It is a triangle ABC. Now here AD is the altitude. The length of the altitude is called height of the triangle. Now if you consider the right triangle, BC is the base, AB is the altitude. A perpendicular drawn from vertex to opposite side. It is a right triangle. These two are the acute triangles. If we consider an obtuse triangle, now here altitude is inside, yet the sides are perpendicular to each other. If we consider an obtuse triangle, now can you tell me the altitude is always inside the triangle? No. If we consider an obtuse triangle, the altitude may be outside. So produce BC to D, draw AD. The altitude is outside the triangle. Now for this triangle AB, obtuse triangle ABC, what is the area? Half into, here BC is the base. What is the altitude? AD is the altitude. Half into BC is the base, AD is the altitude. Here the altitude outside the triangle. Now, in 9th class, we discussed the areas of triangles and parallelograms. From this one, we will recall one concept. Suppose two parallelograms are on the same base and between same parallels. It is a parallelogram. It is a parallelogram ABCD. Now I am considering one more parallelogram. So the parallelogram ABCD, EFCD, parallelograms ABCD and parallelograms EFCD are on the same base and between same parallels. Then what can you say about the area of these two parallelograms? If two parallelograms are on the same base and between the same parallels, then area of the two parallelograms are equal. Here what is the common base? DC is the common base. Parallels DC and AF are the common parallels. So area of parallelogram ABCD is equal to area of parallelogram EFCD. Now in the same way, if two triangles are on the same base and between the same parallels, then area of the two triangles are also equal. Now consider these triangles. Triangle ABC and triangle BCD. These two triangles are on the same base BC. Triangle ABC and triangle DBC are on the same base BC and lie between same parallels. BC and AD. Then area of triangle ABC is equal to area of triangle DCB. The two triangles are on the same base and between same parallels. Areas of the two triangles are equal. If the two parallelograms are on the same base and between same parallels, areas of two parallelograms are equal. One more concept: if a triangle and a parallelogram are on the same base and between the same parallels, area of triangle ABC is half the parallelogram ABCD. Now we'll come to our present topic. What is the present topic? Basic proportionality theorem. So what is the basic proportionality theorem? This is given by mathematician Thales. Now see that statement. Sometimes they will ask you to write the state and prove basic proportionality theorem, or state and prove Taylor's theorem. You have to learn the statement also. Basic proportionality theorem. If a line drawn parallel to one side of a triangle to intersect other two sides in distinct points, the other two sides are divided in the same ratio. So what is the statement? If a line drawn parallel to one side of a triangle to intersect the other two sides in distinct points, the other two sides are divided in the same ratio. So as per the given statement, first we used to draw the figure. It is a triangle ABC. A line drawn parallel to one side of a triangle. So draw DE parallel to BC in distinct points. D and E are the distinct points. The other two sides are divided in the same ratio. So these two sides divide in the same ratio. That means AD by DB is equal to AE by EC. You have to prove. So what is given here? In triangle ABC, DE parallel to BC, a line drawn parallel to one side of the triangle. What is to prove? AD by DB is equal to AE by EC. Now draw the construction. DM perpendicular to AC, EN perpendicular to AB. Next join BE and CD. Draw DM perpendicular to AC, EN perpendicular to AB and join BE and CD. Now see the proof, how to prove this one. So what is the area of triangle? Now only we discussed. Area of triangle is equal to half into base into height. So what is the area of triangle? This ADE. If you take AD as the base, area of triangle ADE is equal to half AD. If you take AD as the base, what is the height? NE is the height. Now what is the area of triangle BDE? Area of triangle BDE. If you take BD as the base, half BD, this EN is perpendicular to AB, then for this side AD is the EN perpendicular, for this DB also EN is the perpendicular. So what is the perpendicular? NE is the perpendicular. Now if you take AE as the base, then area of triangle ADE is equal to, here area of triangle ADE, when AD is the base, EN is the altitude, when A is the base, DM is the altitude. So area of triangle ADE is equal to half AE is the base into MD is the altitude. Now area of triangle CDE, if you take CE as the base, half CE into, this DM is the altitude for AC, for AE is the DM is the altitude, for CE also DM is the altitude, half CE into MD. Now area of triangle ADE by area of triangle BDE, because I have to prove that ratios AD by DB ratio I have to take, that's why I am taking area of triangle ADE by area of triangle BDE. Area of triangle ADE by area of triangle ADE by area of triangle BDE. So area of triangle ADE is equal half AD into NE by half BD into NE. Half cancel. NE cancel. So AD by BD. So that is equation 1. Area of ADE by area of triangle BDE is equal to AD by BD. Next, consider again area of triangle ADE by area of triangle CDE. Area of triangle ADE by area of triangle CDE. So what is the area of triangle ADE? If you take AE as the base, half AE into MD by area of CDE, half CE into MD cancel, half cancel. So that is AE by CE. This equation 2 is the area of ADE by area of CDE. Now if you observe the figure here, BC parallel to DE. Now if you observe the figure, the triangle BDE and triangle CDE are on the same base DE and between the same parallels DE and BC. So now only we discuss the two triangles are on the same base and between the same parallels. Areas of those two triangles are equal. Therefore, triangle BDE and triangle CDE are on the same base. What is the same base? DE is the same base. Same base DE and lie between same parallels. Lie between same parallels. So what are the parallels? DE and BC. Therefore, area of triangle BDE is equal to area of triangle CDE. Therefore, area of triangle BDE is equal to area of triangle CDE. So this is equation 3. So from equation 1, the numerators ADE by BDE. Here equation 2, area of ADE by CDE. But from equation 3, BDE, CDE both are equal. So here both the denominators are equal and already ADE, ADE numerators are equal. So from equation 1, 2 and 3, from equations 1, 2 and 3, from equation 1 to numerators ADE, ADE both are equal, same triangle areas. Here BDE, CDE also we proved equal. Therefore, area of triangle ADE by BDE is equal to area of triangle ADE by CDE. From equation 1, 2, 3, we can write AD by, here LHS parts are equal, we can make the RHS equal. AD by BD is equal to AE by CE. That is required to prove. See, required to prove is AD by DB is equal to AE by EC. If a line drawn parallel to one side of a triangle to intersect other two sides in distinct points, then the other two sides are divided in the same ratio. AD by DB is equal to AE by EC. Hence proved. In next class, we will discuss the converse of BPT.